In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flatten AutoCAD drawing. Flattening is a quick way to turn your 3D geometry into a clean 2D representation that's ready for annotation, dimensioning, or plotting. Think of it as taking a snapshot of your model from your current viewpoint and laying those edges down on a flat plane. This keeps your workflow simple, especially when you just need a clear outline or silhouette without carrying the full 3D complexity into your drawing set. Start by selecting your 3D object. Click directly on the model, or use a selection window to include everything you want flattened in one go. You can select solids, surfaces, meshes, and even mixed geometry. Take a moment to make sure only the objects you want are highlighted. If you pick something by accident, simply remove it from the selection before moving on. The cleaner your selection, the cleaner your result will be. With your object selected, type flatten in the command line to start the command. AutoCAD will prompt you to decide how you want to handle hidden lines. You'll be asked whether to remove hidden lines or show them. If you choose to remove hidden lines, AutoCAD will keep only the edges that would be visible from your current viewing direction, giving you a crisp, uncluttered 2D outline. If you choose to show hidden lines, it will also include the edges that would normally be obscured, which can be useful if you need a more technical look that indicates features behind visible faces. Make your choice, then press Enter, and AutoCAD will process the geometry and generate your flattened result. It's important to understand that the outcome depends entirely on the viewing angle you have when you run the command. The flatten process projects the geometry onto the plane of your current view. That means whatever you're looking at on screen, whether it's a top, front, side, or an isometric perspective, will define the 2D shape you get. If you're oriented straight on, you'll get a true front-facing outline. If you're on a diagonal, the result will reflect that perspective. This is by design and helps you capture exactly the view you intend. Once the command finishes, you'll see your objects converted into flat geometry in the drawing. That's all. Simple, fast, and effective. Use this whenever you need a clean 2D representation of your 3D work, while keeping your workflow light and your drawings tidy.